Hey everyone, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you on this sunny day here in Florida. It's July 16th, 2020. I'm going to show you this huge home behind me. It's 4,181 square feet of living, has 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, but it also has a lot of other living spaces in there as well. We'll be taking a walk through it, showing you the floor plan and telling you everything about it. Now, this specific community that I'm in, these homes are sold out, but you can build it in other Taylor Morrison communities. There is one, for example, in Oviedo, where the base price on this is $493,995 right now at time of shooting. Of course, you have to add lot premiums and upgrades to it. So let's go ahead and look at the floor plan and take you on a walkthrough of this amazing home. So this is a very spacious floor plan. As you come in through the front porch, you're gonna have a flex room or optional study there on the right, and then the opposite side will have a dining room that goes through to the kitchen. You also have a 3-car tandem garage. You have the gathering room, and then the primary bedroom is downstairs, takes up the whole side of the home with 2 large closets. You have your laundry room and casual dining on the other side of the home. Now, this home does have an option for 2 primary bedrooms, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. So let's look at the second floor real quick. And as we go to the second floor, we can see that we have, you come up to a game room area. There's a nice open space to below with the nice 20-foot ceilings, has a media room, has your bedroom 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, bedrooms 5 and 6 can be transferred into the second suite, which takes up that whole side of the home with a nice large bathroom and also walk-in closets. So let's go ahead and check out this home. I'm having a hard time even getting the whole home in the frame here. It's such a big home. It's 4,181 square feet, has 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, as we talked about earlier. It also has an office. It has a loft, family room, and also a movie room as well. So lots of space. Primary bedroom is downstairs, which some people do look for. So as we come in here, the first thing that we're going to see is right over here to the left is a office. Nice and convenient to the front door. And then on the other side would be a very spacious dining room, as you can see here. And then we do have the half bath right here. And then that opens up over here to the family room, which does have the tall 20-foot plus ceilings and connects to the kitchen, which has 2 islands, has an island here, and it actually has another island right here. If anyone wants some water, plenty of water here. Then you go to the main counter area here with the refrigerator. You have your built-in microwave right there. You have your gas stovetop, and then you also have your double oven right here. This one's really cool. I like these ones here that open up sideways. And then we have the breakfast nook right here. And then this door right here has a pantry. And then if we go this direction here, I'll show you, we have a little butler's pantry area here. And then this is another storage space here if you need some extra storage, but you really already have quite a bit of storage here. And then this door goes through to a 3-car garage. Looks like it's a 2-car from the outside, but it's a 3-car tandem, which means one of the bays go back 2 car lengths in length. So as we come over here, we'll go to the primary bedroom. And as you can see, it's right here on the first floor. We have plenty of space. We have space for sitting area over there, a nice king size canopy bed here. They have the tray ceilings as well in this home. And then we go over this direction here, and we have the primary bathroom. And we have the, as you can see, we have one sink there, but on this side here, it's also another sink. So the sinks are on either side of the room. We have the tub, frameless shower, and then we have closet over there. The water closet's right here. The main closet. We have one closet here, and then that's the bigger closet, and then we have another closet here. So nice size primary bedroom. So if you're still watching this video, if you can do me a huge favor, you're watching this on YouTube or whichever social media site you may be watching this on, please give me a thumbs up on this. It really helps with algorithms, getting other people to see it. Also hit subscribe and hit alert if you like looking at homes, whether you're looking to purchase a home or you're just looking for ideas for your home on how to make your home look a little bit nicer with the way these model homes are done with the interior designers. I know I get quite a few ideas myself from these homes. So as we come up here, we have the loft section here. Now the loft section has these double doors here, which connects to a media room, which is really nice. So you have the media room right here. So you can close the door, have the complete darkness, and watch whatever movies you may want. As you can see, they have some nice movie posters here on the walls. And then, so this is like a game room. So you have your room for watching movies, and then you have your room for, they have it set up for Pac-Man and a little game there, which is pretty cool. And of course they have all the games here. So you can imagine yourself here. Of course you can use it for whatever you may want to. And then as we come over here, we have 3 bedrooms over here. So we have bedroom number 2 right here. We have full bathroom right here with the door that gives you the 2 different areas between the sink area and then the water closet shower. We have bedroom number 3 right here. Also has a closet there. It's a walk-in closet. Let me go back over here and show you the closet on this one is the normal closet. And then we have bedroom number 4 here is being set up as like a little craft room, office area. But this one does have a walk-in closet also. You can see right there. So that's bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. Bedrooms number 5 and 6 are on the other, we have to go over this bridge. And then I'll show you looking down, at the family room, or we can go this way here and look at the entrance. So bedroom number 5, you have like a little office nook here too, which is pretty neat. And we have bedroom number 5 here. This is actually a pretty spacious bedroom. Lots of space here. And then we have the bathroom here. So we have a sink here, and we also have the storage closet. And then over here, we have the main area with your shower and your toilet. And then we go back over here, we have another sink here, and then we have a nice size walk-in closet. And then over here is bedroom number 6. So it actually has some more closet space here as well. So lots of closet space in this bedroom. Now, if you're looking to buy or sell a home, make sure you give me a call. My name is Mike. I'm a broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. My phone number is 407-487-3030. You can call, text anytime. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around. So I want to thank you for watching. If you watched this far, make sure you give me a thumbs up on that YouTube or whichever social media you're watching this on. Subscribe, hit the alert button, and look forward for more videos like this coming out. If you're looking to buy any real estate, sell any real estate anywhere in the country or world and need some help finding a good realtor in your area, make sure you give me a call too. I can definitely help you find a good, well-reviewed realtor in your area. And then if you're in the Central Florida area looking to buy or sell, give me a call. Or if you're thinking about getting your real estate license, you have any questions about that in the Central Florida area, give
give me a call. I can tell you all about Preferred Real Estate Brokers, a company that I would highly recommend to look into if you are looking to sell real estate in the Central Florida area. So I want to wish you all a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you for watching and hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.